Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Now the Christmas tree is harvestable. Is that a word? You can harvest it. I'm going to collect it and see how much you can actually get from it. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to sell it immediately. Let's just talk and select how much is this worth and see. Okay, it's at 72 million shekels. It's not worth that much, but mind you, I have the 60 kilo Christmas tree. Maybe yours is heavier. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's how much it costs if you want to sell your Christmas tree and harvest it, or you can just keep it in your garden. I just harvested it for the sake of this video. So yeah, the more you know, I guess. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.